In the heart of a small Indian village, where the morning mist kissed the fields and the faint hum of factory machines echoed from the distant workshops, lived a young girl named Arohi. Her father, a poor factory worker, labored day and night to provide for her and her younger brother. Life had never been easy, and yet the warmth of their tiny home and the laughter that filled it gave Arohi a sense of belonging. But life had a secret challenge in store for Arohi. She was born blind. From the very first day, the world around her was darkness. While other children played under the sun, Arohi learned to see with her ears, her hands, and her heart. Every sound of the rustling leaves, every breeze that caressed her face, became a guide. Yet, as she grew, so did the whispers of doubt. Villagers would murmur, "How will she ever achieve anything? She cannot even see." Sometimes, Arohi overheard her father's sigh and worry, though he never let it show in front of her. But Arohi's dreams were vast. She loved to listen to the stories of pilots her uncle brought from the nearby town. Tales of soaring skies, clouds brushing against the sun, and freedom that no one on the ground could feel. She wanted to fly, not just in her imagination, but truly soar above the earth like the birds she listened to every morning. One day, a traveling pilot came to their village for an airshow demonstration. Arohi's ears caught the roar of the engines before anyone else noticed the crowd gathering. She reached the front and asked, her voice trembling with excitement, "Can anyone teach me to fly?" Laughter echoed around her. "Fly? You? You can't even see," a young boy jeered. But in Arohi's heart, something stirred, a spark of determination stronger than the mockery around her. Her father, initially hesitant, saw the fire in her voice. "If your heart wants it, Arohi, you can try," he said gently. With no money for formal training, Arohi began her journey in small steps. She started by climbing the hill outside her village, listening to the wind, feeling its direction, and learning how it changed with altitude. She memorized the sounds of birds, the patterns of the river, and the distant hum of the factory, turning her village into a training ground for senses that would guide her in the skies. She learned the basic principles of flight from old manuals borrowed from the village library. She studied every word meticulously, often asking neighbors to read aloud to her while she imagined the airplane beneath her hands, feeling every curve and control with her fingers. Arohi's life changed when she met Captain Vikram, a retired pilot visiting her village. He heard about a blind girl who dreamed of flying and came to meet her. "Sir," Arohi said, "I can't see the sky, but I can feel it." "Then maybe," he smiled, "you can fly better than most who only look at it." From that day, Vikram became her teacher. He taught her to listen to the sound of the wind, to feel direction through air and pressure, to trust her instincts more than her eyes. The villagers laughed. "A blind pilot? Impossible." But her father said proudly, "My daughter doesn't need sight. She has vision." Days turned into months of endless training. Every sunrise found Arohi practicing near the old field, her heart full of hope. Then one morning, Captain Vikram said softly, "Today you'll fly alone." Her hands trembled as the engine started. The plane rolled forward and lifted. She couldn't see the clouds, but she could feel them. She was flying. "I couldn't see the world," Arohi whispered. "So, I decided to rise above it." And that day, everyone understood. You don't need eyes to see your dreams. You just need the courage to believe.